A major verdict has come out of Kerala in the high-profile 2017 sexual assault case. Malayalam actor Dileep has been acquitted by the court, while the prime accused Sunil N.S., widely known as Pulsar Suni, along with 5 others, has been found guilty. 3 other accused in the case have also been acquitted. The verdict was delivered by Ernakulam Principal Sessions Judge Hani M. Varghese in a packed courtroom. It comes nearly 2 weeks after the lengthy trial concluded on November 25. The state government has already stated that it will challenge the verdict. Kerala's Law Minister P. Rajiv said the survivor has not received full justice. The 6 convicted individuals include Sunil, Martin Anthony, Manikandan B, Vijesh VP, Salim H, and Pradeep. They were charged under multiple sections including 120A, 120B, 109, 342, 366, 354, 354B, 357, 376D, 201, 212, and 34. Their sentencing will be announced on December 12. The case dates back to February 17, 2017, when a group of men forcibly entered the car of a prominent actress, held her captive for nearly 2 hours, assaulted her, and recorded videos before fleeing in a busy area. The incident shocked Kerala and dominated national headlines. Police arrested several accused shortly after the incident and filed the first charge sheet in April 2017. During the lengthy trial, statements from 261 witnesses were recorded, including many from the Malayalam film industry. Several witnesses later turned hostile.